Hey everyone, my name is Elise Schwerman and I work at the Santa Cruz Museum of Natural History. And today we're going to be making a plant press.
To make this, you'll need cardboard and rubber bands or string. The next step is to cut the cardboard. You can make your plant press big or small, but in the end you need 2 pieces of cardboard that are the exact same size. Next, we are going to cut paper to fit the size of our cardboard plant press. You can always add more pages later, so don't worry about cutting a lot right now. Now it is time to add plants. I collected these plants from my yard. You can collect from your yard, your friend's yard with permission, or a local city park. You cannot collect from someone else's property without permission or state parks. Please follow the rules of where you collect and make sure it is okay to collect from the area you are visiting. You're going to place your plants down on the paper and then place another piece of paper on top. Then the piece of cardboard. Now you can use the string or rubber bands to secure it together. Do you notice any changes? I'll show you the flower up close. I think it changed the most. What do you think? Now it's your turn to make a plant press. I hope you have fun!